Good. Welcome to Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Fa Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 5. Okay. Lesson number 5. In this lesson, we will learn demonstrative pronoun. This time. Okay. And I would like to inform you if anyone wants to learn how to read and write Arabic, so please visit my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class and find all 18 video lesson, okay, in playlist. Okay, so you can check out. Okay, and also I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. Let's begin. So today it is a lesson number 5 on spoken Arabic series. Okay, and I hope you might have watched lesson number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Lesson number from lesson number 1 till 4. I hope you might have watched. Okay, so continue. So first write demonstrative pronoun. Okay, so demonstrative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun. Okay, demonstrative pronouns. So write it. First is hada. Hada means hada is masculine. Hada means this, masculine. Okay, and hadi means this is feminine. Okay, now is these for both, male or female, for both. These for both. Okay, these for both. These for both is hadul. You can say hadul for both. I write here for both masculine and feminine for both. Okay, now write is a diet. Okay, diet, and that is a hadak is masculine, and that is hadik for feminine, and those, okay, and those for hadulak, hadulak, for those, male female for both. Okay, now repeat after me. Hada, this. Hadi, this for female. These these hadul, these hadul for both male and female, and that hadak, and that female hadik, and those hadulak, hadulak. Okay, yes, in Arabic, so yes, let's use in sentence, simple sentence. Okay, first I use hada. So this is a sentence, simple sentence, sorry, simple sentence, use it. Okay, again, see. Okay, so this is a sentence, simple. Say, this is a house. This is a house. Say hada bayt, hada bayt. Okay, as I told you, and you know already, in Arabic there is no is. There is no is mr. Okay, so hada means this is. So no word for hada, no word for is. In Arabic there is no word for is. There is no is mr. Okay, so this is the house, hada bayt. Bayt is masculine. Okay, bayt is masculine. Okay, now write again. This is a this this is a pen. This is a pen. Okay, simple. Say hada qalam, hada qalam. Done. Now again, this is a book. Okay, hada kitab. Done. And this is a office. Hada maktab. Okay, This is a airport. Hada matar. Matar. Done. More common word. More common word. Okay. This. This is a. This is a. This is boss. Suppose this is boss. Okay. This is boss. Hada. Hada mudir. Okay. Hada mudir. This is a driver. Hada sawak. Okay. This is a sponsor. No sponsor. Sponsor. Kafil. Right. Hada kafil. Hada kafil. Right. This is a new person. New person. Hada nafar jadid. Hada nafar jadid. Hada nafar jadid. Okay. Now more word. Common word. This is a worker. Hada amil. Okay. This is a boss, or you can say owner. Owner. Hada arbab. Arbab. Hada arbab. Hada arbab. Okay. So you can find vocabulary, words, vocabulary, and you can use with this. Okay. Hada. Hada hadi. Okay. Now one more is, this is a common. Just I use simple. I use common word. This is a boy. Boy is walad. Okay. Hada walad. Okay. This is a man. Hada rajul. Okay. Hada rajul. This is the man. Okay. Done. Now now let's use hadi. Hadi means this. Okay. Now let's use hadi, and uh just use no is a feminine word. Feminine word. Okay. Suppose this is a car. First word is no, car. This is a car. Now don't say hada. Now say hadi. But in spoken is allowed. Suppose you don't know is a masculine or feminine, so you can use hada for all. Hada for all in spoken Arabic. Okay, this is allowed. Okay, but correct way for feminine words, use hadi. Okay, hadi car. So car word in Arabic is a feminine. This is the car. Hadi siyara. Hadi siyara. Okay, this is the table. Table word is feminine. This is a table. This is a table. Hadi tawila. Tawila. Hadi tawila. Okay, this is the card. Any type of card. This is the card. This is a card. Hadi bataka. Bataka. Hadi bataka. Okay. And this is a girl. This is a girl. Hadi bin. And this is a woman. This is a woman. Hadi imra. Imra. This is a woman. Okay. Now, other words. Other words. Okay. Now, this is a bus. Okay. Hadi hafila. Hafila. Okay. And this is a company. Company. This is a company. Hadi sharika. Hadi sharika. Okay. This is a room. This is a room. Hadi burfa. Hadi burfa. Okay. Yes. So you can find vocabularies, you can find words, and you can use with hada or hadi. Okay. Now next is these. These. Okay. These. And these is hadul. So these are men. Okay. You can say hadul rijal. Rijal means men. Okay. Rijal is a plural. Plural, right? It's a plural. Rijal. So plural word is rijal. Hadul rijal. These are men. Okay, and these are women. Okay, hadul nisa is a plural. Nisa, hadul nisa. Okay, and these are boys. These are boys. Okay, so you can say hadul aulad, hadul aulad. Okay, and these are girls. You can say hadul banat, banat. Okay, these. Now use hadak. Hadak is masculine. Okay, so you can repeat vocabularies. Same for hadak. That is a book. To say hadak, hadak kitab. Okay, that is a pen. Hadak kalam. That is a mobile. Mobile. Hadak jawal. Jawal. Okay. So yes, you can repeat same words. Okay, same words. Okay, with hadak. Okay, now is that for female. Any feminine words, right? So that is a car. That is a car. You can say hadik, hadik siyara, hadik siyara. Okay, hadik siyara. Okay, you can say that is a girl. That is a girl. You can say hadik bint. Okay, hadik bint. Hadik bint. Yes, you can say other word. You can say that is a card. Card. You can say hadik, hadik bataka, hadik bata. Okay, done. Now, so hadak and hadik now is a doze, hadul. Okay, suppose those are boys. Those are boys. You can say hadulak, hadulak, hadulak aulad, right? Hadulak aulad. Okay, and those are girls. You can say hadulak, hadulak banat, hadulak banat, hadulak banat. Those are girls. Okay, and suppose those are women, right? Those are women. You can say hadulak, hadulak nisa. You can say those are men. You can say hadulak rijal. Simple. Yes, this is okay. So this is demonstrative pronoun. This type. Okay, you can find words, vocabularies, and you can use with demonstrative pronoun. Simple. Okay. Yes. So I hope you might have enjoyed and you might have understood everything. Okay. Now you can use it. I hope you became able to use demonstrative pronoun. And please keep practicing. We'll see you in next class. Okay. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. And if you have any question, you can comment. I will reply. Okay. So thanks for watching. And I would like to request please like, share, and subscribe my channel Fa Ahmad Arabic class. We'll see you in next lesson. Okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.